Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Just walking to the fishing spot right now. Got the setup. Little ugly stick rod with a black max reel. And using a little 3-inch yum dinger. So, see if we catch anything. Hey everyone, so we're at the spot right now. Water looks kind of low. See how it feels. It's not too bad. This is, I fish here pretty often. I always catch something, so hopefully we do all right. Might have to get in to fish, but that's not a problem. See if we can get anything. First cast. Oh, I just got hit. Got one. Nope, got off. Didn't have my drag set. You always have to check your drag before you start. It's a missed fish right there. Could have been number one, first cast. So I have this little 1/16 ounce weight on, and what I'm doing, I'm just jigging it off the bottom pretty much. Seems to work pretty well. I have it wacky rigged. Got one. Oh. These fish must be small because I have a 3-inch Senko on and they're getting off. Maybe my hook set is not what it should be, but alright, we're getting in. Oh, feels good. So on this setup, I have a 6-foot ugly stick, medium action, and then I have a Garcia Black Max reel, and I think I'm using 10-pound fluoro. It's hung on that tree. Well, I'm gonna have to put another yum dinger on it. Got off. So I bought these at Walmart. It's a good deal. 12-pack for $2.99. So with these, I just I hook them in the middle. It's one time through, and I like using a circle hook because it's hard for the fish to get off. See if we can get one. Just got hit right there. Well, at least I'm getting bites, so I know there's fish in here. Maybe right there's the spot. There we go. It's number one. Oh, it got off. That was a little smallie. He had it. Come on, come on. I want to catch a nice pound or two, smallie. And for those of you who don't know, this is the so the Spruce River is coming in right here, and the Pond Fork is right in front of me. And these are where the two meet, and they form the little col, and then it eventually meets up and forms the big col. But looks like we're gonna have to wait up a little bit. We got some bites here, but everything seems too small. Right up there, if you can see it, where there's a little eddy and the water kind of slows down there. It's really good. Okay, we're heading up. It doesn't get too deep up here. It's pretty shallow, but the water's fast moving, so you always have to be careful for slick rocks and things sticking out of the water that you can't see, because this river is really dirty. And the water's pretty clear right now, but I wouldn't drink it. This weekend I'm going to the beach, and I'm looking at getting a new bait casting setup. So if any of you all have recommend a setup, just comment down below. We'll have to check it out at the Bass Pro Shop. And meeting up with a friend, we're gonna do some fishing down there. So hopefully we'll catch some nice bass and maybe some saltwater fish, I don't know. So right here you can see we have two fast moving water coming in, and they kind of create a slow pool right here. So let's cast in that slow pool, maybe jig it a few times, see if we can get some bites. Pull it out of his mouth. Right there, give it a little slack. There's one. Damn it. Missed him. Well, I don't know. Maybe my hook sets are off today. I don't know. I got one on right now. Oh yeah, he's on there. Damn it. Bugs are kind of bad. It's a nice smallie. It's a good fighter. Get in here, get in here. Let's go. It's number one on the day. Nice smallie. Come on. That circle hook barely got him right there. See that? It's a nice one right there. Good first catch of the day. Pretty smallie. Alright, we're gonna get a release. There he goes. Okay, so I just hope while trying to get my bait out, it didn't scare all the fish. And hopefully I don't get hung again, because if I do, I'm just gonna cut it. So I'm not That was pretty sketchy because, as you can see, the water's moving pretty fast. So even though it's not that deep, you can still get injured very badly if you slip and fall and hit your head, or you never know what can happen. That little fish sat there. He's probably hanging on to the end of my little Cinco. See if we can pull that into those rapids. Just letting some slack out right now. A lot of people fish here, so maybe this spot's fished out. I'm not sure. You can see that doesn't look natural over there. Maybe somebody has been here fishing and put all those rocks here. I don't know. There's a lot of young kids around my neighborhood that fish, so I'm sure they've been down here. Why did I think I had a fish on? Probably because I do. Wow. It's another smallie. Get in here. Nice. Probably this a little smaller than the first one. Dang, he choked it. Look at that. He choked that circle hook. It's gonna be tough to get out. I'll have to get some pliers. I don't wanna hurt him or injure him or anything, so try to get this out and get him back in as fast as possible. It's hard to see in there. His mouth's so small. There we go, got it. Nice little smallie, probably about a 9-incher, maybe 8. Get him back in. There he goes. He's all good. And we still have our Cinco.